Greetings! What you see here is the KS 2200 PSFC portable power station from Könner Söhnen that has a rated power of 2200 watts. This is more than enough to power your electrical appliances, such as a 2-compartment refrigerator, heating boiler, fan heater or circulating pump, microwave oven, kettle, hairdryer, TV set, desktop computers, Wi-Fi router, lightning, and the charge your smartphones, tablets, laptops, photo and video equipment, and drones. With the Könner Söhnen charging station, you can enjoy a comfortable life under any circumstances. The operating time of the power station under load of the number of charging operations of your gadget depends on the power consumption of the connected appliances. The battery capacity is 2220 watt per hour. The declared specifications fully correspond to the actual ones, as confirmed by the quality certificates and the official manufacturer's warranty. The package includes the portable power station, the charger, and the charging cable for charging the power station from a car cigarette lighter socket. The power station has a robust ergonomic housing made of aluminum and plastic. The front panel accommodates a large LCD screen with many different indicators, including discharge and charge percentage, input and output power, time left to charge, and more. Below are the 230 watt AC outlets. The power station outputs a stable sinusoidal voltage, which is necessary for sensitive devices. Next to the outlets is another group of outputs, including 2 Type-C ports supporting 100 watt and 18 watt power delivery technology, and the USB ports supporting Quick Charge 3.0 and 3 2.4A USB ports. There's also a separate group of 2 12-volt DC outputs. Each group of outputs is activated by the illuminated buttons above. To start the portable power station, just press any key. When all the buttons are disabled, the power station shuts down after a certain time. The device has the most elaborate functionality. All parts are made of quality components and have a margin of safety. Buy a portable power stations from Könner Söhnen and experience the benefits for yourself. Below the output groups are 2 inputs, one for charging the power station using the supply charger, and the other for charging the power station using the KS solar panel. On the left side is the 12-volt DC output in form of a standard car cigarette lighter socket. And here you'll also find the separate input for the KS fast charger for lithium-ion batteries, which you can purchase separately to charge your power station just in 3 hours. On the right side is the 4-watt LED lamp with a button for 3 switching modes: the lighting mode, SOS mode, and flashing mode. Above the lamp are the openings for active cooling. The power station weighs only 21.5 kilograms. There is a carrying handle on top for convenient handling. Choose reliable Könner Söhnen appliances. Traditional German quality is available to everyone.